Hello, my name is Adriana Feos. Today we will talk about how we communicate through discourse. Discord is one of the most important tools I have human beings because it allows us to express ideas, emotion, and tune in a clear and structured way. Discord is not only about speaking, it's also involving listening, interpreting, and responding. There are different types of discourse, such as informative, persuasive, and narrative. For example, when we explain a topic in class, we use informative discourse. When we try to convince someone, we use persuasion discourse. In addition, verbal and non-verbal language play a key role. Our just tone of voice in facial expression. In conclusion, communicating through discourse is essential for our personal and professional rel- relationships. Good use of discourse allows us to convey ideas clear, build trust, and better understand others. That is why it's important to develop if communication skill in every day.